Hi, my name is Michael. I'm a senior sales engineer at GigaIO, and today I'd like to show you how we can compose a GPU to a KVM bare metal host and then also pass that through onto a VM that runs on that host. So let's begin. First, let's show that we don't have anything connected here GPU-wise. The GPU that we'll be using today is an NVIDIA A100. So one thing we can do here is look to see if we've got anything that's NVIDIA here in PCI, and we don't. All right, we don't have that. Now I'd like to show at the same time that we don't have anything over on the VM either. So let's head over there real quick. So we'll be using this VM here called EP01. Go ahead and we'll run this one here. We'll show that it doesn't have anything. All right. All right. It's a lot simpler doing LSPCI on one of these. So we don't have anything that's an NVIDIA device here. Okay. All right. So neither the hardware host nor the VM running can see anything. No surprise. We don't have it available to them. All right. So let's go ahead and let's shut down this virtual machine and let's get rolling here. Okay. Quickly, let's visit our accelerator pooling appliance. So we have depopulated it for the purposes of this particular brief demonstration. It has the ability to have 8 double width cards in it. We've only populated it with one, this A100 up here. So we've shown that neither the Zebrafish KVM host, that's the name of it, Zebrafish, neither that nor the VM that runs on top of it can see this. Not a surprise. If the host couldn't see it, how could the VM, right? Okay, let's turn this on. And then in a moment, we'll be able to go back over to Zebrafish and have that host rescan its PCI bus, and then we'll be able to see the A100. All right. So I want to run this again. Okay. So how did this happen? Well, obviously we've got synthetic endpoints in advanced mode running on our appliance. That's outside the scope of this particular video, but this can be done in a dynamic way as long as the operating system and our hardware handle that. Our hardware is ready for it, and in this case, the operating system is as well. So without having to go and rescan the bus, the KVM host sees that it's got this A100, this NVIDIA controller, and it's here at the ID 77:00.0. All right. Hardware's got it. Now let's get back to this virtual machine here. Let's view some details about it real quick. Let's check out on it. There we are. Virtual machine details. Let's view the details. All right, let's go through here. So looking up and down here, we don't see that we have a PCI device. So this system's not even really ready to grab that yet. Okay, let's add it. Add hardware and PCI host device. Huge list of things, right? So, but we recall that we're looking for 77. So we're going to scroll down and get down here. And there it is. Now, when that NVIDIA is not being seen by the underlying host hardware, actually this position in the PCI structure here in the tree, it's got a placeholder that's this Broadcom/LSI. All right, so go ahead and let's finish that, add that in. Great. And so we're done with that part, virtual machine. Let's run it. And we are running. All right, let's log in and let's take a look. Let's log in here. All right. All right. Down at the bottom here, 3D controller NVIDIA Corporation device, right? The 20B5, right? So that's the same hardware as before. All right, so we had it where we had a KVM host and the VM running on top of it. Neither one of them was aware of the fact that there was a GPU around. It was not active. It was not turned on. It was available to it over a PCI Express fabric, but it wasn't turned on. So no dice there. Turn it back on, and then the underlying KVM host could automatically see it since we had it set up with synthetic endpoints. So there was a placeholder ready to have that, and it found the new device without having to initiate any kind of rescan whatsoever. And then we added that into this VM EP01, and now we're off to the races. So that was a lot of me talking, but you can see that that's something that can be done very, very quickly. So thanks for your attention today. I appreciate it.